Hello everyone. Want to move your Bybit Web3 wallet into Metamask? Here is a quick step-by-step on how to import your private key. So first, go to your Bybit Web3 wallet and export your private key. Make sure to store it somewhere safe. You will need this string to import your wallet. Now open your MetaMask extension and click the account icon on top of your wallet. At the bottom of the menu, select Add Account or Hardware Wallet. Then choose Import Account. You will be directed to the import page and paste your private key and click Import. MetaMask will now add this wallet to your account list. You'll now see the new account listed with an imported tag. Just remember, this wallet isn't tied to your MetaMask recovery phrase, so back up that private key separately. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Bybit Web3 wallet to MetaMask using your private key. You can also import using a JSON file. These are the steps. So go to the import page, expand the drop down from select type, then select JSON file, then choose file and look at the file from your computer. Enter the password that protects your JSON file, not your MetaMask password, obviously. Then click import. And that's it. That is how you can transfer Bybit Web3 private key to MetaMask.